Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we have another special video, and this video from the title you already see is how to shorten the long strap. The reason to do this video is, like myself, I'm petite and 5'2", and some handbag is pretty long strap, and when I wear that, especially for myself, I'm not like crossbody person. I like to wear shoulder bag, so it's a little bit difficult for me to wear shoulder bag with a long strap. So I did create a video a year ago. It was my first video. It was horrible anyway. I didn't delete it, still there. And when I remember when I do this video, I didn't know how to do the editing. I used my iPhone to film, and I think I did it like 6-7 times. So every time I did something wrong, I have to redo again. So that was the one. So now after 1 year later, I know a little bit how to editing, so I can review this video. And also this video was requested. So without further ado, let's jump in here. And so talking about shorten the strap, there's many ways. You can go to the professional leather store to cut it. And for myself, most handbag is pretty much expensive. I know I don't really want to cut the original strap, so I would like to do by myself to shorten the strap, and I still keep the original length in case I want to sell. I have no problem to sell it, because some people, you never know, they want to have a long strap and they are tall and they don't like to wear shoulder bag, they would like to wear the crossbody, so you never know. You don't. So that's the reason I don't really want to go to the professional leather store to cut to chop down the strap. Instead I'm doing myself. So I will show you a couple of handbags that currently I'm wear, how I wear it. So the first handbag is Celine Nano. As you can see, they have a pretty long strap, and since I don't want to chop down the original length, so I just make something myself. Now this wasn't too nice, you know, I was doing very quickly, so I just grab and go, but I will show you how to do it. So this is the one type of the strap you can do by yourself. Next one is the Gucci the camera bag, and also I did something like that. I will insert the photo there so you can see when I wear how it look like, so you have more idea. So this is another type of the strap, which this strap is unremovable. It's sort of difficult to shorten by yourself, but you will see how I did it. Next one, also the Gucci camera bag. This is also not able to remove the strap, as you can see that the D-ring attached to the strap, but they have different designs, so we will go through later. So this is another type of the strap, long strap, how you're gonna shorten. The next one is the Cassie, which is also the long strap, so you can also make this one also removable, which is pretty easy to do, to make adjustment yourself. And the last type of the long strap is this Chanel Mini. And like here you already see how I did it. And by the way, when I talk this one, a lot of people ask me what this year of this one. Now finally I pull out the tag. I see it. This is the 2016 B, which is a fall winter collection. I always think this is a cruise collection. It is fall winter collection 2016. So yeah, so we're gonna dive into this four type of the strap, how you shorten them. And yeah, so the first one is the most popular bag, that is the Celine Nano bag, and the people don't want to buy bag. One of this reason is the strap. Unfortunately, they don't have adjustable. I feel so bad, and so many years they still don't make adjustable strap. So but however, this is the removable, which is a best way to do strap, shorten your strap. This one you can remove. like that. So you can carry this one if you don't want to use strap, but here is the, so I'm gonna take out everything and show you how I did it. So this is a pretty long strap. So this is the strap. It's pretty long for my size. I'm 5'2", and so in order to wear the shoulder bag, it looks really ugly with this long strap. So what I do is a very simple way. Of course, they have more way. I do pretty simple, and the fast way is I just tie it up. Make a knot as small as possible, you know, try to do it, and I try many times. The strap leather doesn't get a crease. It is really good quality of the sewing, I have to admit. And so after you make a little bit of knot, and then you will use a scarf to cover this knot and make us a back charm. So I'm gonna quickly to show you. I wasn't do very nicely, but when you have time, sit down, do little by little, be patient and make it as nice as possible, you know. So just take time. In this video, I very quickly to show you the concept. It's not necessary it's beautiful as supposed to be, and so you will have an idea like this. So you have the scarf with this, and then you just go through in the hole. Then you start to rubbing up the knot, make sure it doesn't show up, because you don't want people to see this showing up, right? So it doesn't look really nice. So you just make it really tight on the knot and going around. And as I said, I'm not very good at this, and especially in this video, I don't have much time, you know, to show one step by step. But I just give you the concept how I made it and how it can be look good. So here is the knot like that. So normally, you know, you can make it much better, much nicer, and if you have the bigger scarf, you can make a butterfly right there, and much beautiful. So you will see on my picture, I will insert a picture on that. So this is one type of the strap you can make very quick, very easy way to shorten the strap. So right now it's much shorter. One is the Coach Cassie, and the same concept because this is removable. So definitely you can make a knot and create it really nice for, you know, summer look, and yeah, kind of feminine, right? So same concept for this type of the strap, very easy to make it. Next one is the bag. This is the mini camera bag, and as you can see, this is not removable, and I happen to feel this type of the strap, it has a little bit difficult to make a shorten. So only way you can make this like this way, and this is the easy way to make it, and that doesn't affect the appearance of this handbag. You know, when you wear it, kind of like a feminine feel, right? The scarf, try to make a scarf either pop-up color or just the same as a strap color. I feel like a pop-up color is really nice for your face. So like this one, I kind of like it, so I wear like that. It's totally fine. And like this, because original it was really long. This, so now it's right here on my waist. It's perfect for the shoulder bag. So I'm gonna show you how I make it. This one, the way I make it, I just want to make sure I don't want to crease the strap, but don't have the crease. See, it doesn't create the crease, so you have to be very careful to make it shorten. What I do is very simply look at this way, and you fold it. You make sure two sides is same, length and fold it like that, as like that. Then you use a scarf to wrap it up. Okay, but make sure don't press this part, because once you press this part, your strap has the crease. It's gonna get a wrinkle, which I don't want it. You know, I really don't want it. I just still want to be. So make sure only these two parts you can tie tightly, but not here. Okay, here it just leave it like that. Get up the scarf that you like it, and you can wrap that up. So as you can see, I started from here. I don't start with here. I will do very quickly, so which is not gonna be very nice. The last way is just tie it up here. Okay, so now you have the two that, right? You tie and you cover this part. You just right here, you pull a little bit and cover it. And this side is the same way. You pull a little bit and cover it. So you don't see that. So either way, you can put the knot on the top or on the bottom. So I do on the bottom. Okay, so this is the one type of the strap. You can make it like that. So this is the one type of the strap that the most easy way to do is you just tie it here. Now I don't really like to this many way. Actually, this you can turn around from the inside, you know, or make the knot on the. You can make the knot here and use a Chanel ribbon or something like that. But I'm telling you, the reason I don't do it, I had the black one, and I was doing this, and for the long period of the time, I don't know what happened was when I closed. It has the big indentation there. I was so freaking out. Right now I already sold that many, and I will never do this again. Of course you can do go all the way around and turn the way it is, you know, like that short. I also worry about the side leather. It's for the long period of time, it's gonna damage it. So I don't do that either. So the simplest way, I just tie the strap on. I just tie on the strap. That's simple and easy, right? And I tried many times, and I never really created any problem. So far so good for this type of the strap. Last one is this type of the strap, which is unremovable, but this one actually is also can removed. So I'm gonna show you. It can be removed. As you can see, let me take it out. This is the bandeau from the Louis Vuitton, which I feel this is matched to this color. So, but the concept is still the same, and much easy. This just tie the chain there. You see, I tied its chain. So you can do the other side if you wanted to do. You also can just tie the chain, but I'm not gonna do it because I don't want the two side has the two different bundle. I only have one, this one, so I only tie the one side for this strap, and then you use the bundle to cover the part that you just did it, and you don't want people to see it, so the small knot much easier to hide it, but the bigger one is a little bit difficult, so you may use I think use the bando is the easy way to hide to rub up the tie knot. So you come like this, like as a back charm. I think I cover all type of the strap for how you make shorter without to cut the originals. So hope this video is really help you, and yeah, if you have any question or any request, you can just drop down in the comment section. So that's it. That's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day.